Hello and welcome back to Declutter and Smile. Today I'm going to show you guys my home office space that I share with my little ones and how I've organized it so that it can be functional for all three of us. So come along. So this is an overview of my home office, and this is looking at it from the foyer space. This is where my girls work, and right there in the corner we have this lovely poster with the 10 Commandments on it, and that they can see it as they working in their workspace. See, it says, you're wise, you're smart, you're strong, don't forget to smile, you're loved, you're brave, dream it, believe it, achieve it. You're special, you're unique, you're a star, you're kind, you're amazing, you can do it. And then this little section right here that has some of their cool little artwork stuff, and then the map of the United States. And then I have this, I don't know what to call it, this cabinet space here that I had DIY spray painted it to be green. It used to be tan, and I no longer wanted it to be tan, so I spray painted it to be this color, and then I organized the space so that the girls can use it to store their items. And this space right here in the middle is when they go to the library. So when they haven't read the book, they put it right here in the in section, and when they have read it, it's in the out, so that means we need to go return these books. And then here, sorry for the noise, I have organized it so that they know exactly where everything goes. When I say, okay, put all your stuff away, they know exactly where it goes. It's all labeled for them. This one right here doesn't have a label because it's just an extension of the crayons right here, right there. And then here, this one is to catch all miscellaneous. We have some rulers right here. And then there's no real order because they switch it up all the time every time they take stuff out. And then any extras, I have placed them behind the containers. And this can right here, they started storing their pencils and markers or whatever they were using on their desk with it, but I noticed they stopped using it. So I left it there just for now, but most likely it might be recycled if I don't see them use it in the near future, because we don't like unnecessary clutter. All right, so then here we are in the next section. Here we stored all of their workbooks, their science experiment right there, and then some other miscellaneous stuff we've placed on this bottom row right here. But most of it is their workbooks, notebooks, and so they know this is where they go to get those items. And on here, I have a hidden electric pencil sharpener. My filing stuff right here, my little nice orchid, and then a little holder right here, and a picture frame that I've yet to really put anything in it, but I kind of don't mind what it says, glamour. It's okay. So this is the kids space. Their little artwork, we have it right here. It's their name, Janaya and Chloe. They use this board right here to do math homework, draw, whatever they want to do. I got it from Ikea, and it's two-sided. And then there's a little holder right here. I also got this table from Ikea and these chairs in case anybody was interested. Ikea. So here is my Carpet or rug I got from Ikea. I love it, and I had to remove it from our shared space because the kids did a lot of arts and craft and dropped a lot of stuff on it, and I didn't like that. So I moved it to just be in my section, and this is my desk. Here I place, let me go ahead and have a seat. Here I place all of my nooks and crannies, little things that I need, post-it notes, and you know, just random things is right here. And then put that here, and I like it because it kind of goes with the theme of the room. What an adventure we will have, and that we have had. And I like it. It's black and white and gold, and as you can kind of see in the room, it kind of goes because the green and then the carpet, and it just all ties together, and I like it. Cool little box I got from Dollar Tree. Here's my computer space. I have this here. The kids keep flipping it around because they like to play with tape for some reason. But that's there. These are additional office supplies in a miniature size that I keep here. And funny story about my little doggy here. It's also a pen. And the funny story, let me go ahead and put it back together. My dog fell apart. So I don't know if you guys are gonna think it's as funny. So the funny story with my dog here is that I wanted a dog one year for my birthday, and my husband got me this. Yeah, hilarious. So that's my little dog. And this is my pencil holder. I got this also from the Dollar Tree. Oh, I got this from the thrift store, which was a pretty cool find because I was looking for it on Amazon, and then boom, got it from the thrift store. And my mouse pad, keyboard. I have some good old reads right here that I keep right there next to me, and some necessary paperwork. And one of the cool things right here is my motivational board. It's just every once in a while I look over at it while I'm working here at my desk, and I use it as a source of motivation because sometimes you just need a little extra push. And so it's right here. And then I have this right here that says beauty is all around you. Sometimes you just gotta stop and see. We get so caught up in everyday life that we don't see the beauty that is right in front of us and around us. And then this is my stand and my little bag right here that has all my supplies that I need for shooting and the camera, things like that. And if ever I go in location, I just grab that bag and I know everything is in it. And this is my office space that I share with my tiny people. The room I'm currently using right now is a shared office space with my tiny people. Was originally designed for it to be a formal dining room. But since I have a perfectly good eating space off of the kitchen, I chose to use this space for what I needed for my family. And that's what I want to encourage you guys to do, because oftentimes we feel limited because a room has a title as such as formal dining room or living room or family room. We feel like it's limited to serve that particular purpose, but it's your home. Utilize it for whatever works best for you and your family. So I hope you find this video very useful on how to organize your shared space with your tiny ones. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can get notifications as to when I post new videos. As always, thank you for allowing me to share a piece of